Hello friends, hope you're all fine. Now we are going to start a new lesson. Title is Nature. If you remember, we have already done a lesson earlier on nature and we learned some 10 signs. So now we are going to add to that list and we will learn some more signs related to nature. And once we have finished that, we will practice all the words together. Okay? So now let's learn new signs on nature. Lightning. Lightning. Black and thunder. This is a sign for thunder. Thunder. Green, grass. Grass. Breeze, cool breeze. Breeze. Wind, strong wind which results in trees bending. Wind, that's a storm. That's a storm. Summer. Summer. Cold, winter. Winter. White and the sign for snow. Snow. Volcano. Volcano. Let us now practice nature-related signs from our previous lesson, which was lesson number 4, and the signs that we just learned now in this lesson. So let's practice all the 20 signs together. Tree, flower, rain, sun, sky, stars, clouds, plant, moon, leaf, lightning, thunder, grass, breeze, wind, storm, summer, winter, snow. Volcano. Keep practicing patiently and learning. Go back and forth. Test yourself. Share with someone else and be happy learning. Alright? Bye bye.